Okay, if you're going to start a website, the first thing you need to do is proper keyword research. As you can see from the screen, I'm in Google AdWords tool, the AdWords.google.com, the keyword tool, and I typed in the word eyeglasses. And from there, what I do is I'll go to Wikipedia and see what they say about eyeglasses. And as you can see, they call it glasses. There's a picture of eyeglasses over here. And they've got eye protection, which would be a good keyword to put in there. We'll copy that. Put that over here. They got sunglasses. We'll take that keyword as well. I use Wikipedia because people see that as an authority site, and Google gives it very good rankings. So if Google's given keywords in Wikipedia very good rankings, odds are if you put them in your website and you target those keywords and you do it properly, you're going to have similar rankings or even better. I always have better. We're going to go down and look a little farther. I don't care about the history of eyeglasses. That's not going to make any difference. The invention of eyeglasses, I'm sure 2 people search for that a year, so I'm not going to bother with that. You know, let's put in some of the issues of why people wear eyeglasses. Myopia is one of them. We'll copy that, put that over here. Presbyopia is another. I'm sure I butchered that word, but I don't really care if I did or didn't. Oh, that's a great job copying. Let's try that again. Scroll down a little bit more. Refractive errors is good. Astigmatism for sure. As you can see, keyword research is not real exciting stuff to do, but if you don't do it first and foremost and you don't do it correctly, you're going to be very disappointed in the progress of your site and what you'll end up making from your sites. We'll take this keyword right here, farsightedness, as well. Now, the more keywords you have in here, the more opportunity you have to generate keywords to target. So you want to just kind of see what relates to your initial thought process and go from there. Now, I'm sure that 1 million people are going to target these keywords after seeing these videos that I'll be making. So if you want to go for it, go ahead, but I wouldn't bother. I wouldn't bother because there's going to be 1 million people targeting it, and the competition's going to go up. Just plain and simple, it's going to go up. I just clicked on that by accident. Oh well. I'll click it back. I didn't really want to go to the page, although oftentimes I do go to the page on some of these links just to see what's there, and I take even more keywords than that than I normally than I would. I mean, I can end up with as many as 75 or 80 keywords in my AdWords tool to do the keyword research. But you know, I don't want to take it that far and kill you by making you watch the whole video like that. So let's take what we have here. We've got there's 10 or 12 keywords there. I don't click anything on the side. Everything I leave the same. I do location United States. You may want to do a different location, but I do United States only. I don't click any buttons, anything. I don't even look. I don't care what's over here. It means nothing to me. I click the search button. And as you can see, it's loading up here. This may take a few seconds or so. Alright, now we have all these keywords down here. 800 keyword ideas all told. I take those, I download those, and there's your keywords. Now, because I'm logged into my AdWords account, I do some pay-per-click advertising. It also tells you the cost per click on some of these, and there's some nice numbers here. But I'm not even looking at that. I could care less about that, actually. So we're going to sort this data by local monthly searches, and I eliminate anything below 880. So it's just not worth the effort to go searching to rank sites where the traffic is so small. I delete those, and then I sort by competition, and I scroll down, and I usually kick it off at around 60 or so. So you got 219 keywords. You'll have 219 keywords after this all said and done. Oh, missed a bunch. There you go. So you have your competition up here. Your sites are organized by competition. Your global monthly searches, your local monthly searches, and local monthly is what I concern myself with. And you'll see all these keywords down here. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to look at some of these keywords like refractive error and refractive errors. They're about the same keywords. So I look over here in the local monthly searches, and I see that this keyword, even though it's a singular and a plural, there is a little bit of a difference, so I leave it in there. Google sees as different also in their what their advertising dollars charge, because you can see there's a difference there as well. So we'll leave that in there. Typically, I pull it out if it's not if it's the same. If it's not the same, I leave it in there. But you're going to scroll down here, and even easier. The next thing that's easier to do this to do your clean up your keywords, to sort by keyword itself. And that way you can get rid of any plurals. Here you go, stigmatism's in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times for some crazy reason. That's gone. Best eyeglasses, best sunglasses. Get rid of the camera lens because we're not writing about cameras. I don't know what Carl Zeiss lens is. We'll have to look that up to see. Here we are. Cataracts is in here twice, but it's in here as a misspelling. As you can see, that the second one of those two is misspelled. So we'll leave that in there, and we'll play off the misspelling. Here you got concave convex mirror, concave convex mirrors. Well, we're not doing mirrors, so we're going to get rid of those too as well. There's another mirror one we want to get rid of. Alright, so you see, you just got to clean this up and get rid of all that duplicate stuff and all the things that don't matter to you, that are not really going to be part of your site. Mirrors and sunglasses, eyeglasses, contact lenses, astigmatism, they doesn't go together. So we'll leave that at that. That's your keyword research. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to find a domain, and I'll show you how to find a domain, or how I find a domain, in the next video. But for now, this is what you have for your keyword research and how I do it.